A chocolate maker bought 120 acres. He didn't build a factory. He built a world. Birmingham, 1860s, the workshop of the world. Half the city lived in back-to-back houses. No gardens, no light, no air. Factory workers started before dawn, finished after dark. Children worked the factory floors. George Cadbury was a Quaker. He believed work should serve the worker, not the other way round. In 1879, he moved his factory out of Birmingham to a greenfield site 4 miles south. He called it Bournville. He built the factory first. Then he bought 120 acres around it. And then he did something nobody expected. He built houses. Every house had a garden. By rule, every single one. He built schools, parks, beautiful green spaces for all, swimming pools, cricket pitches. Workers got pensions, education during working hours, committees where workers ran the factory floor, no pubs. He was a Quaker. He meant it. Sounds like paternalism, a rich man telling workers how to live. But here's what happened. It worked. Workers who were treated well thrived. In 1900, he did something extraordinary. He put the entire estate into a trust, the Bournville Village Trust. It could never be sold for profit, never broken up, never privatized, protected. Forever, the world took notice and built the Garden City movement. It changed how we think about cities. Bournville still exists, still run by the trust. Still no pubs. One man proved something, that if you treat people well, they don't just survive, they flourish. He proved one person can change everything. Imagine what we do together. You make that possible. proudofus.co.uk/support. Be part of us. Be proud of us.